ZB, Sarpanch, a present Panch member of Kanka, Villa Kanka, to welcome the gathering.
It takes a lot of hard work, it takes dedication. After 3 months, some people say, no, I can't jump that high. I tried for 3 months. Try another 3 months. And you will make it. Those people who have got medals for national games, they have got medals because you all are the best. You all are the best in the country. You just did not get medals. You are the best. And we brought you all over here only to tell you that you are the best. And that don't stop over here because you got a medal. You got national games medal, don't stop. You have to get international medal. And for that, nobody will come from other country over here to teach you, to say that come on the ground today. You are going for 1.5 months of practice. No, it will happen only when India selects you. India will give you the best coach for that particular time, whether you are going for Olympics or you are going for the World Championship or whatever it is, internationally. For that particular short period, you will get that coach, not throughout. So you will have to do it on your own. Your journey for success is on your own. And we want to send this message across Goa to all the constituencies, to all the villages from our print and electronic media, that today all the winners should not sit back after getting the medal. They should work every day, minimum 4 hours. If you want to make Goa proud, if you want to show that Goa, even if Goa has not provided you all the coaches, we have done it on our own. Then Goa will have a special budget for different sports in the state of Goa. My mobile, that every now and then we used to get receive messages that India got gold, India got bronze, India got silver. Not India, Goa. And we used to feel proud. And then in the evening, all the channels used to show y'all. And I think y'all were also feeling very, very proud. Finally, Goa got representation. And when we say Goa got representation, you are the people who made us proud. We have very, very famous personalities over here in sports. Katya, Dane, they have made Goa proud for many, many years now. And we are waiting to see them, not nationally, because they are already there nationally. We are waiting to see them internationally. Like that, there are many other students over here, young boys and girls. They also want to excel. They also want to win medals for the country. And we are all dreamers. And we are all dreaming that one day I will achieve this. One day I will achieve my goal. 100% you will achieve. 100%. If you work towards your goal. If you work hard, because I know it is not that easy. You will have to practice every day. Whether it is beach football, whether it is our own football, whether it is cricket, whether it is boxing, whether it is any other sports, all the different sports, you will have to work with dedication, with your timings. You go for college at 9 or 8:30, but before that 5 o'clock you are up and you are practicing for 2 hours. When you come back, you study, then again you practice for 2 hours. A national player minimum practices 5 hours a day if you want to play international. If you want to represent the country, if you want to bring medal for the country, you will have to do this. This is dedication. I know this because our friend Donald, who is over here, Coelho, he used to tell me the hard work which he put in to see that his kids represent the country is like nearly 4 to 5 hours every day. And I was just saying, 5 hours every day, how? But he used to make time. And he said that if my kids follow this time, they will go nationally. They will go internationally. They will bring medals for the country. Government of the day gives you certain infrastructure, whatever is there in the state, you can go and practice over there. Government of the day cannot give you those international coaches. It's impossible. They cannot bring a coach over here internationally in different fields. There are so many fields. You will have to do it yourself. And that is only through hard work, through practice. Today, if you cannot jump high, if it's a high jump or a pole vault, tomorrow, day after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, after 6 months, you will be able to achieve that height.
A very good evening and a warm welcome to our Honorable MLA of Kalagut constituency, Mr. Michael Lobo, MLA of Shioli constituency, Mrs. Delilah Lobo, all the Sarpanchis, medal winners in the concluded 37 national games, parents and my dear friends. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. This is what late John F. Kennedy, President of America, said. We all Goans know that our state of Goa will not give much financial assistance or required infrastructure, but yet you have made your parents, relatives, friends, and all Goans proud by winning medals at the 37 national games. Let's put our hands together and give our medal winners a round of applause. 2 medal winners could not be present for today's felicitation as they are representing our country in the respective events. Keep up your good work, all the medal winners. I am extremely happy and proud when I approached my nephew and niece with this proposal of felicitating all the medal winners from Kalagut, Sholim and Saliga constituency. And the answer from them was a big yes. Let's put our hands together and give them a round of applause for their kind generosity.
For different sports in the state, that yes, these are the few students, these are the few boys and girls who are doing very well in these sports. Okay, let's bring them a good coach. But it requires your contribution, your efforts to show the government that you are the best and you require the best. I know this. Just now I told you, the proud parent Donald Bob told me that they require the best coaches who are very, very expensive. And government does not provide you all the time. So maybe once in a year, if you are selected for Asian Games, for Olympics, World Championship, at that particular time government will provide you for that coach for 1 month or something like that. But I feel that you require coach for 8 months, 9 months. First you practice on your own, then you require a coach who will guide you, who will tell your diet, who will give you a routine, what you need to be done. And I feel with that you can do wonders for yourself, for your state, for your country. I want to wish present on the days Delilah Lobo, MLA, Sholim constituency, ESG Vice Chairman, Bruno Coutinho, Arjuna awardee, a famous footballer, ex-captain, Faust, Manoj, our ex-ZP, Sarpanch of Kangalim plays, our Deputy Sarpanch, Gita Parab, all the other Sarpanches, ward members, Deputy Sarpanches, proud parents who are sitting over here, all the winners who are over here, of the medals. I don't know everybody personally, but I have seen you all on the TV, and it was a proud moment. Bruno, all of them, they made Kalangut village in Goa, the name of football in Kalangut village. It's very strong. They are the people, Kalangut Association, they are the people who encouraged our boys. Though no matter we are so busy with the tourism activity, but they are the people who dedicate themselves, who see that the boys and the girls come on the ground to practice. We require dedicated people. We require a dedicated the department which is there, that is sports department, Sports Authority of Goa, dedication of the SAG coaches towards the boys and girls who want to bring laurels for the state, laurels for the country. And I-15 and all those other things, we get medals, but we should get more medals. Like how the other countries, their tally goes right up with gold medal, silver medal, they are the top. But we being the highest populated country in the world, we are right down. So who can bring it up is only you. Because you have shown your capability, your capacity in this national games. I wish you all the best. And any help from our side, from the government side, we are ever ready to take you to the Chief Minister, to the sports department, or any other help you require. We are always there for you.
We are felicitating around 25 medal winners today from Sholi constituency, from Kalangut constituency, and from Saligaon constituency. पहिले म्हणटा ते देव बरें करून म्हणटा आमचे अंकल डॅडीचो भाव तो म्हाजो टोनी अंकल या he brought up and we have decided, I know, he has organized this all with the help of Bruno Kudina, Bob Faust and everyone. पहिले म्हणटा तुमकां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता सगळे आमच्या स्पोर्ट्समॅन या आमचे शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे beach volleyball, beach football, they won silver, and by Janvi, Janaiva, yeah, she won bronze in wushu, and all you others also, everyone who put your heart and soul into it to bring name for yourself and for our state of Goa. And medal you bese jukung zaina. You have to, and these were national games. These were national games. The next step is somewhere where you all go internationally. So you all will be called to represent Goa at the international level. Whichever field you all are best in. So I wish you all the very best. And one thing main is, as I always say, that passion is always there. But that discipline, when you go towards achieving your goal, passion असतात, सगळ्यांक passion असतात, सगळ्यांक दिसता gold medal घेवचे आनी आनी उंचे वयर. But the discipline that you have to be self-motivated. तुका तुझी मामी आनी डॅडी सदांच तुझ्या फाटल्यान लागतलो तो न्हू. You have to get up early in the morning before that cock crows. And you have to start it. You have to be self-motivated. बाबा आपण हे आपल्या खातीर आणि आपल्या गांवा खातीर, आपल्या स्टेटा खातीर आणि आपल्या देशा खातीर कितें तरी करतलो. Yeah, today you all are here. Tomorrow you all will be felicitated at an even bigger platform. And what a pride! I congratulate first the parents. तुम्ही बेश्टीत ह्या सुवातेर पावना. तुमच्या पेरंट्सांनी स्वतः सकाळी तुम्ही उठता त्याच्या पयलीं तुझी आई बाबा उठता आसतलो. Your mother, father must be getting up to make some breakfast for you, to see that you take something there out there on that ground. Yeah, a bigger round of applause to your parents first of all. It is because of them you are what you are. It's your parents' hard work. Besides that, I'm saying you should be self-motivated. Only then you will achieve your goal. And you should be your own everything. Idol म्हणटा तो तूच आसूंक जाय. You can always surpass your idol. Remember, you can always be better than your idol. But you should be self-motivated. Again, I say, it's the daily exercise, daily time what you put in your field of work, your diet. You are what you eat. You are what you eat. So your diet and your sleep, that counts it all. So all the very best in your future endeavors. And tumka, you all are the cream as far as sports, your particular field is concerned. Tumka kolli korosa. Anytime, my door will always be open for you all. And let's give it up for ourselves, first of all. Big round of applause to yourselves. Yeah. You all are
and privilege that our own MLA Michael Lobo, Kalangur constituency, along with Madam Delilah Lobo of Sholim constituency, for honoring all the recipients who have brought laurels for the state of Goa for the 37th National Games. Goa has participated for the first time in beach football for the 37th National Game, and under my leadership, my assistant coach Faust, my goalkeeping coach Mario, manager Lakshman, my team, we have put up a very hard work for this 37th National Games, which we had only a few days. Selection trials was a big problem, but other things also was problem. But apart from that, I had promised our own sports minister that I will bring gold medal. But at the end of the day, we got a silver medal, and I am proud of my boys for bringing that medal for us.